whether found within the insuring agreement, the limits section, or the maintenance of underlying insurance, some umbrella insurers recognize an exhaustion of the underlying aggregate only if the claim paid by underlying insurance is also covered by the umbrella policy. Here's a wording that typically includes such restrictions: maintenance of schedule of underlying insurance and maintenance part. You agreed that during the policy period, the total applicable limits of scheduled underlying insurance shall not decrease, except any reduction or exhaustion of aggregate limits by payment of loss to which the policy applies. As noted in the sublimits section, if the umbrella insurer totally excludes any property damage to property occupied or rented to the insured, any claim paid by the CGL policy within the damaged premises rented to you would not be recognized as reducing the CGL policy general aggregate limit. For example, if the CGL insurer paid its limit of $100,000 for fire damage to a warehouse rented to an insured, this reduction in the CGL policy aggregate limit of CGL would leave a gap of $100,000 between the actual CGL general aggregate limit and general aggregate limit as required by the umbrella insurer. While this is just one example of the issue, it is preferable for the umbrella insurer to recognize the reduction or exhaustion of the underlying insurance by payment of claims that are covered by the underlying reinsurance, regardless of whether or not the umbrella covers the claim. Here's wording that is more favorable: maintenance of underlying insurance in pertinent part. During the policy period, you agree that the limits of liability of the policies listed in the schedule of underlying insurance as shown in item 5 of the declarations will be maintained except for any reduction or exhaustion of aggregate payment loss claims suits covered by the underlying insurance, italics added.